Hello and welcome to this Mykademy feature tutorial video. In this video, you will learn how to create YouTube or Vimeo videos as content lectures. First, click YouTube or Vimeo, which is on the right panel of the content page. A small pop-up window will appear where you can enter the lecture title. Choose a section to which the YouTube or Vimeo video needs to be added and enter a lecture description. Finally, place the YouTube or Vimeo links here. Click Create. You will be redirected to a page where you can edit the lecture title, YouTube video, or Vimeo URL and the description. If a lecture preview is enabled, the learner will be able to view this video in a small tab. You can also add rule-based content dripping to expand its view and to specify the learner's access restriction parameters for the lecture as required. Finally, click Save. Thank you for watching this video on how to add YouTube or Vimeo content as lectures.